Hi guys, let's add voice as a payment method in Upwork. Go to settings and then click on get paid. Now scroll down and click on add a method here. Meanwhile, also open your Wise app and open account setup and click on direct to US Bank USD here and choose individual checking and then go to your Wise account details and add the routing number and account number here and make sure to confirm the account number as well. After that, you need to submit it. Click on add bank account. Yeah, now the bank has been added. Now scroll down and click on edit for the bank account that you just added. This one, yeah, here edit and then make sure you click here and then save changes.